Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Dalal Street Week Ahead program sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today I'm having workshop in Mumbai, so therefore no video, just only the audio. Tomorrow onwards we'll resume video. Coming back to markets, US markets closed almost flat, and over the weekend, three important results: Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, and HDFC Bank. So how to define good, bad, ugly? HDFC Bank result is good because their business outlook was bad. The stock has already fallen 6-7%. So likely there may be some kind of a short covering tomorrow. So that is good. The Reliance is bad, and the Reliance doesn't seem to be very impressive. And because of that, Reliance GDR is down about 2%. But of course, Reliance GDR is not a very liquid instrument, so that may not be an exact parameter, but it's likely to be slightly down. But the stock has already fallen about 7-8%. So this the result may be already factored in the prices. But ugly is the ICICI Bank. So ICICI Bank, I think the provisions has increased, the profit has fallen. So because ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, the expectations are very high. So that's why if you see the last few years, in fact, these are the two stocks that have shot up, multiple times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times like that. But such a disappointing result, so that stock might come under selling pressure. So overall, the Bank Nifty, maybe, HDFC positive, ICICI Bank negative. So mutually cancel each other, and then, maybe flat or even slightly positive because the HDFC Bank weightage is higher than ICICI Bank weightage. But the Nifty may be in trouble because, Reliance and ICICI Bank both are likely to be down. Add fuel to the fire. Now, US President has announced 10% tariff on certain European countries which are supporting Greenland. And also he threatened to increase that to 25%. So if you can remember, our market has been underperforming ever since the Trump came to power. Gold and silver prices are shooting up ever since Trump came to power. It's not even 1 year, so come January 20, then only he is completing 1 year, but he's created hell of a problem. But he creates hell lot of problem for the world countries, but US market is doing extremely well. But I think tomorrow morning we will know the US futures might be down. I think right now in some markets, the US futures are trading. I think Dow is down about 300 point, but it's not even 1%. So US market tend to be volatile, might be reacting to the headline news. And of course, that news is not likely to have any major impact among the Asian countries, and because that is restricted to European countries. But anyway, uncertainty is an uncertainty. So technically, now the market is bearish. 25,790 has to be taken out on the higher side. Nifty has to close about 25,790. So then only, we can say the negativity is not there. But still, market will become long only if 26,300 is crossed on the higher side. So now bearish below 25,790, bullish above 26,300. So in between maybe a consolidation. Right now the markets are bearish only. 26,000, that is going to be a stiff resistance, and because we have only 2 trading sessions and Nifty closed below 25,700, so we have 300 points to touch 26,000. the kind of news flow and plus the kind of results that we are having, so I think that's going to be very, very difficult. But sometimes, markets may be having some other mind. Even a bad result, stock can go higher, or good result, stock can go lower because of the positioning. So the day the result comes, the market movement, it depends upon the positioning in futures and options rather than the fundamentals. So 25,790, Nifty has to close above that. But for the last two trading session, intraday Nifty took that level, but the selling at the higher level. The last trading session, Nifty has fallen more than 200 points from intraday high to low. The previous trading session also, Nifty fell more than 175 points from intraday high to low. So the intraday selling seems to be very, very high. That FII selling is also aggravating nowadays. So whatever it is, we have only few more days before the budget. So I don't think that anybody will be taking significant positions ahead of the budget. So it's going to be just a consolidation, and it's a multi-month consolidation probably. From May to October, market was trading at around 25,000 plus minus. From October till now, it is trading 26,000 plus minus. So this is where the long-term option sellers are making a good money. So let us hope, market may be down, but it may not be out. So some kind of a support comes, and clearly the month swing low is 25,500. So maybe for the next two trading session, market may be trading between 25,500 and 26,000. So it is time not to be really bullish. But our market is being compressed, I can say. So if you compress a spring more and more, then the moment you release, the spring can, shoot up. So that let us hope that finance minister does something so to release the pressure on the spring. So otherwise there is nothing much to discuss today. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.